Previously in this chapter we learned about the perimeter. So perimeter means it is outer boundary. So if we have any geometrical shape, any polygon, and how can we find the perimeter? By counting the length of a side, and after that we need to add. Okay, so it is outer boundary. So if we know the length of outer boundary, then we can find the perimeter of any geometrical object. Now today we will learn about the area. So in previous standard, in 5th standard, you already learned about the area. You learned two equations, that is area of a square and area of a rectangle. Also you learn one more method in which you find the area using square sheet paper. So here we will learn both methods. So first of all, what is area? Area is space enclosed by closed figure. So what is the surface area occupied by the object that will be its area? If we take any textbook, for example, if we take this textbook, then what will be the area? If I place this textbook on a board, so what is the area occupied by this textbook? That we can find like this. So area of this textbook will be this much. So whatever surface area occupied by the closed figure, that will be area of that object. Now, first method is finding the area using square sheet paper. Area using square sheet paper. Now, what is a square sheet paper? Or you can say graph paper, where each box is of 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Now we already know what is a graph paper. In graph paper, it is like this. One paper is there. That paper is divided into number of square boxes. Each box is of square shape. And again this square is also divided into 10 part or 5 part. This kind of paper we already know. But what is the measurement of this box? It is of 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. If you measure it using scale, then this box is of length 1 centimeter and its breadth is also 1 centimeter. That's why it is called a square sheet paper. Why? Each box is of 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. So to measure, first method is using the square sheet paper. Now how can we use this square sheet paper to find the area of any object? So first is take a square paper. Let's consider this is our square paper. In text, for this example, you can use a graph paper. You can stick your graph paper in your notebook and find the area, or you can make a boxes in your notebook like this and then draw an object on that and find the number of space occupied by them. Let's say we have circle. So how can we find the area of this circle? For that we need to find 4 things. So number of full square. What we need to find? Then number of half square. After that, more than half square. And less than. So this 4 things you need to find in any square sheet paper. So let's consider one example in which we need to find area of this object. It is kind of oval shape. So first of all, find the number of full square. So number of full square is considered as 1 square centimeter for each. So 1 square centimeter, it means what? Here each box is of 1 centimeter. That's why 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. So unit will be square centimeter. As we learned unit in a perimeter. That is, if our measurements are in a meter, then unit will be in a meter. Okay, unit means the unit of answer. For example, if we find it is 12. So unit means perimeter will be 12 meter or 12 centimeter depending on the measurement. So same for area, we need to use unit square centimeter if the measurements are in a centimeter. Now, number of half square. Is multiplied by 1 by 2. That will be its area. Number of more than half square is considered as full square, or you can say 1 square unit. And number of less than half square is considered as 0. It means in any figure you need to find 4 things: full square, half square, more than half and less than half. If it is full square, then it is 1 square unit. If it is half square, then find the number of half square and multiply it with 2 to find the area. If it is more than half square, then it is considered as a 1 square unit. If it is less than half square, then we need to consider it as a 0. So let's find for this figure how many full square we have. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Or you can consider 7. So, number of full square, that is what? 7. So, area will be 7 square. Now, half square. So, there is no half square in this circle. So, 0. More than half square. More than half square, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is 5. Now 5 half square is considered as a 1. So 5 half square, more than half square means 5 square unit. Less than half square, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. Now less than half square is considered as a 0. So area will be 7 plus 0 plus 5 plus 0. Why? Because this is considered as a 0. So that's why area will be 12 square unit, or you can say centimeter if this box is of 1 centimeter. So let's take some example to find the area of figure using square sheet paper. So these are the example that is given in your textbook. So here first example. So for that what we learn, that we need to find the number of full square, number of half square, number of more than half square and number of less than half square. So first, number of full square. Now in the figure, that occupied number of full square, that is 1, 2 and 3. So number of full square is 3. Number of more than half square. So how many number of more than half square? So there is no more than half square, that's why it is 0. Number of less than half square. So there is again no less than half square is there, that's why it is 0. Now half square. How many half square we have that is occupied by this object? So here 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 half square, 1, 2 and 3, that's why it is 3. Now area occupied by the number of half square. For that we need to multiply it with 1 by 2. So area we can find 3 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 1 by 2. So it is 3 plus 3 by 2. 3 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. So 6 plus 3 by 2. So that is 9 by 2. You can convert this into mixed fraction. So it is 4 1 by 2 square centimeter. Clear? You can find 4 1 by 2 square centimeter, that is area of this object. Now next figure. So here this figure is given. So first of all find the number of full square. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So full square is 9. Now more than half square. Now we learned that more than half square is considered as a full square. So how many more than half square? Here you can see 1, 2, 3, only 3. So we need to consider it as a 3. Now less than half square. Less than half square is considered as 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So that is 10. Okay, this is also the area that is less than half square. Now half square. So we can consider this as a half square. So only 1. Now half square area will be multiplied by 1 by 2. So area will be 9 plus 3 plus this one is considered as 0. So 0 plus 1 by 2. So 12 plus 1 by 2. 12 by 2. So that is square centimeter. So this way we can find the area. Now let's take one more figure that is given in your textbook. In textbook the figure is different and on board the figure is different, but I am counting the number of square occupied on board. So here this figure is given. It is kind of leaf. Again what you need to count? You need to count number of full square, number of half square, number of more than half square and number of less than half square. Half square is multiplied by 1 by 2 and more than half square is considered as a 1 full square. So let's find full square. Number of full square. So it is, there is no number of full square, so it is 0. Now more than half. More than half square. Count number of squares that are more than half. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6. Less than half square. Less than half square is considered as 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here less than half square is 7. Half square. How many number of half square? So 0. There are no half square. Now less than half square is considered as 0 square unit. That's why area will be 0 plus 6 plus 0 plus 0. That's why it is 6 square centimeter. Clear? So now let's solve exercise 10.2 related to finding the area of figure using square sheet paper. Okay, so question number 1 is find the area of following figures by counting the square. Again, what we learned? We learned that if for finding the area using square sheet paper, we need to count the number of square. So how can we count the number of square? For that, first count number of full square. That is, if it is occupied 5 full square, then area will be 5 square centimeter. Then count number of half square. If half square is there, then we need to multiply number of half square with 1 by 2. And then count the number of square that are more than half. So that is considered as a 1 and less than half is considered as 0. Clear? So let's start with the first question here. This shape is given. It is kind of square. So all are full square you can see. So number of full square is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No half square, no more than half square and no less than half square is there. So area will be 9 square centimeter. Okay. Now next, second. Again you can see the figure is like plus. So count number of full square 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Is there any half square? So it is 5. No half square, no more than half, no more than less than half. That's why it is area is equal to 5 square centimeters. Now next one for C, count number of full squares. So that is 1 and 2. So we can write number of full square. So 2. Now number of half square. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that is 4. Now number of half square is multiplied with 1 by 2. So area will be 2 plus 4 1 by 2. So here it is 2. 2 plus 2, that is 4 square centimeter. Clear? Now next D. So here object is this one. Now here again only we have a full square. So for D we can write number of full square, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now there is no half square, no more than half, no less than half. That's why area will be 8 square centimeter. Clear? Now for E. So it is this kind of figure. Again in figure you can see there are only full square. So count number of full squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So number of full square is 10, and no half square, no more than half, no less than half. That's why area is 10 square centimeter. Now for this exercise you can use a graph paper or you can draw a boxes in your notebook.